Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Forza Horizon error code E019? This error mainly surfaces when players attempt to load their game saves. The error message reads, "Load failed. An error occurred while trying to load your saved data. You can go back to the title screen and try again. If the problem persists, reboot the game or try again later." There is no single cause behind this error. It can be triggered by a variety of factors, so it's necessary to try a range of solutions to tackle the problem. The first possible solution is to remove the game from Quick Resume if you're on an Xbox console. To do this, fully close Forza Horizon and navigate to the Xbox dashboard. Press the Xbox button on your controller, select My Games and Apps, then More Options, and finally, Remove from Quick Resume. Relaunch the game to see if the error persists. The second solution involves rebooting your gaming device. Close the game and shut down your device. Disconnect it from the power source and wait for approximately 10 minutes. Reconnect your device, restart it, and then relaunch the game to check if the error still occurs. The third potential fix is for players on a PC. Logging out of the Xbox app, restarting your PC, and then logging back into the Xbox app may resolve the issue. Some players have found this method successful, particularly if the problem lies with their accounts. The fourth solution is to resync your game, save to the cloud. Go to Manage Game, select Saved Data, then your profile, choose Delete from Console, relaunch the game, and wait while the game resyncs the data to the cloud. Then go to the System Settings, select Console Info, then Reset Console, and finally, Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. Check to see if the error still shows up. Finally, if none of the solutions work, try reinstalling the game. Uninstall the game from your device and then reinstall it. In summary, the Forza Horizon error code, E019, can be fixed by removing the game from Quick Resume, rebooting your gaming device, logging out and back into the Xbox app, resyncing your game save to the cloud, or reinstalling the game. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.